The operant chamber contains a bar that an animal can press to obtain a food reinforcer. This device is used in operant conditioning. We put X into the chamber, and after a while she learned that pressing the bar meant that she would get a Fruit Loop.
A variable ratio schedule is a reinforcement schedule that reinforces a response after an unpredictable number of responses. With X, she learned that pressing a bar meant she got a treat. After a while, she would keep pressing a bar 4 or 5 times until she got a treat.
Avoidance is when you do behavior to prevent an annoying stimulus from occurring. With X, she went over the dowel rod and clutched on to avoid getting hurt.
Escape is when the subject does a behavior to stop annoying stimulus that is currently happening. For example, X goes across the dowel rod to escape the annoyance of the tapping.
A secondary reinforcer is one that is associated with a primary reinforcer. It is learned to hold power over the rat. X learned that going through the tube meant that she would get a treat. After a while, she went up the rope to go through the tube and get a treat.
Shaping is an operant conditioning procedure in which reinforcers guide behavior toward closer and closer approximations of the desired behavior. This worked with X when we tried to get her to walk on her hind legs. We gradually gave her treats as she got to walking more and more, starting with just giving her a treat if she just took it one step. She eventually completed the desired 5 steps.
Continuous reinforcement is reinforcing the desired response every time it occurs. With our rat X, every time she hit the ball, we gave her a treat. This served as a continual reinforcement and encouraged the rat to keep performing the desired behavior.
Positive reinforcement is increasing behaviors by presenting a positive stimuli, such as food. For example, we gave X food whenever she did something right, like pushing the ball into the basket.
Fixed ratio schedule is a reinforcement schedule that reinforces a response only after a specified number of responses. With X, she learned that every time she pushed the marble across, she would get a treat.
Cognitive map is a mental representation of the layout of one's environment. For example, after exploring the maze, X acted as if she had learned a cognitive map of it. Operant conditioning is a voluntary behavior associated with pleasant or unpleasant consequences. When X associated climbing over the hurdles with food, she did it.
Latent learning is learning that occurs but is not apparent until there is an incentive to demonstrate it. With X, she would only go through the popsicle sticks when she had a treat right in front of her.
Extinction is the diminishing of a conditioned response. Occurs in operant conditioning when an unconditioned stimulus does not follow a conditioned stimulus.
We had trouble with X jumping across the gap until we got her to jump up because she got hurt.